In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to mail merge in Gmail. This process is a fantastic way to send personalized emails to multiple recipients at once. Let's dive right in and get started with step 1. First, open Google Sheets. This is where we'll manage our email list. Google Sheets is a powerful tool for organizing data. Using it for mail merge ensures that your recipient information is neatly arranged and easy to access. Once you have Google Sheets open, go to Extensions at the top menu. Click on Add-ons, then select Get Add-ons. These add-ons extend the functionality of Google Sheets, allowing us to do more with our data. Now in the search bar, type in Yet Another Mail Merge, or YAM for short. After locating Yet Another Mail Merge, go ahead and install it. Make sure to allow all necessary permissions. These permissions enable YAM to access your Google account, which is vital for sending emails directly from Gmail. Rest assured, YAM is a trusted tool with thousands of users. Next up, open Gmail. This is where you'll craft your email template. Click Compose to start a new email. Here, you'll write your email using placeholders like name. These placeholders will be replaced with actual data from your Google Sheets during the mail merge process. This technique makes each email feel personal to its recipient. Once your email is ready, save it as a draft. Saving it as a draft ensures that it's ready to be used for the mail merge later. You'll be able to access this email template directly from Yet Another Mail Merge. Now go back to Google Sheets. With your email draft saved, we're ready to initiate the mail merge process. In Google Sheets, navigate again to Extensions. This time hover over Yet Another Mail Merge and select Start Mail Merge. This step initiates the tool, linking your Google Sheets data with your email template in Gmail. After starting Yet Another Mail Merge, you'll need to select your email column. This is the column in your spreadsheet where the email addresses are listed. Then choose your Gmail draft. This tells YAM which draft email to use for the mail merge, ensuring that the correct template is sent to each recipient. Finally, click Send Emails. This action will begin the process of sending personalized emails to all your recipients. You will see a confirmation appear, letting you know that the emails are being sent. This step is crucial as it completes the mail merge process and sends out your communication as intended. Mail merging in Gmail using Google Sheets and Yet Another Mail Merge is a powerful way to efficiently manage email communication. By following these steps, you can ensure that your messages are personalized and reach your audience effectively. With that ready, you're now equipped to handle your email campaigns with ease and confidence. Thanks for watching, and happy emailing!